Hey guys, welcome to our Tarragindi job. Come on in and have a look. Check out this dining room space, isn't it gorgeous? Now able to seat the whole family, we've got built-in custom seating. That gorgeous cushions have been custom made to fit the space and the style. Pendant lighting, sconce lighting and wall treatment. Couldn't ask for more. This home hasn't had any real construction changes, more cosmetic. And here we've treated the lounge room with a custom made TV unit that's floating to give a bit more air space. It's made in the same product as the dining room, and we have treated the wall in the Easycraft Curve and painted that in a soft green colour, so that brings a pop of colour into the home. Here's the lounge room, now with some beautiful skylights above, and we've included some new soft furnishings. So the client already had a beautiful lounge that fitted the space perfectly. We introduced a new occasional chair just to bring some interest and a pop of colour, and some soft furnishings that pulls the look together. Our Tarragindi job had a beautiful kitchen already, but we made some extra inclusions here just to work that in with the new design and the new redesign. Introducing this beautiful gold accent into the tap. We also included a beautiful new pendant light and changed out all of the handles in the kitchen to a brushed gold. And that just cohesively flows that style right throughout the home. During the design process, I'm always looking for ways to help the existing areas of the home work with the new spaces. And here, the kitchen was existing but had a very dated island. And the kickback here was in a wooden finish. We've now included this beautiful Polytec in a curve, and it brings the home and the kitchen into a more modern finish.
We were looking for somebody to help us with renovations because we wanted somebody who would come in and be able to cover all bases for us, so both the build and interior styling. And Winning Designs ticked all of those boxes. What we loved most about working with Winning Home Improvements was it was just such a seamless process. The communication with both Matt and Tracy was really clear. We always knew what was happening, what was going on, and all of the trades and styling was managed by them, so it was very fuss-free. The thing I love about the renovations the most, it's actually really hard to choose, but I probably would say the skylights, because they have really opened up our home, and yeah, it's given a whole different feel to the entire family room and downstairs area. I would recommend Winning Home Improvements because it makes what would be otherwise a very stressful experience into something that's actually easier than you expect. I have actually referred friends and family on to them already.